Homemade Oreo ice cream recipe. This Oreo ice cream recipe is not exactly light, but it is delicious. This Oreo ice cream is easy to prepare and success is assured. Ingredients: cream to assemble 35% milligrams, 500 milliliters condensed milk, 400 grams. Oreo crushed biscuits -100 gram. Utensils: metallic container. Preparation: 1. Insert the metal mold in the freezer half an hour before. 2. With the help of a blender, whip the cream until it forms peaks. It takes between 1 and 2 minutes depending on the power of the blender. 3. Place the condensed milk in a bowl and add the whipped cream to the milk and mix with some rods. 4. An Oreo package has 154 grams. With about 100 grams we have enough. Cut the cookies and add to the previous mix. 5. Pour this mixture into the metal mold that we have in the freezer. Freeze at least 4 hours before serving. When having a high fat content, it is not necessary to remove. 6. Take 10 minutes before the freezer and leave it at room temperature. You will see how creamy. Now you see more ice cream ingredients and preparation method in description. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more new videos.